Welcome to another evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to take you through a tutorial in mathematics. It is a very interesting topic because it is very applicable into everyday life. In all sectors of life, you find this topic being used. So, tonight I would like us to look at probability, but specifically I want us to look at the symbols. That is, understanding the symbols. When we understand the symbols, we will never be challenged by probability. In fact, it becomes very easy to do probability. So let's start. And I'll start with step 1. In probability, we normally use letters. Like we can use capital A and capital B. Think of A and B as two groups of things. For example, let A be students who like football, and B students who like music. So our next step is, what do these symbols mean? What do I mean by that? There are some symbols we use. An inverted, or you can call it U, and the other one is N, or you inverted the U, that you inverted U. So, let me tell you what the symbols mean. So, the U mean union. And in symbol ones, it represents everything in A or B or both. The symbol like U inverted means intersection. And in symbol ones, it's only things in both A and B. So, what is the meaning of A union B and A intersection B? So, A union B means students who like football or music or both. While A intersection B means students who like both football and music. And I've illustrated that one in a diagram in mathematics we call a Venn diagram. So, on your left, you have A union B, and on your right, you have A intersection B. For A union B, you can see these are the members of A and the members of B and all the members who are doing the two, music and football. They are in between. Then in A intersection B, we have only the members who are doing both music and football. Now, what is the meaning of A union B and A intersection B? And what is the relationship between the probability of A union B and P and the probability of A intersection B and P, A or B, and P, A and B? So we want to find out whether probability of A union B and the probability of A or B are related, and the probability of A intersection B and the probability of P, A and B are related. I would like to make this as simple as possible, as if I'm explaining to a beginner. So let's first of all understand the symbols. The symbol U means union. A or B, that is the way you read it. Anything that belongs to A or B or both, that is the meaning of the union. For inverted U, or you can call it N, it looks like N, you can see that it means intersection, and how to read it is A and B. That is, the simple meaning is only what belongs to both A and B. So, what does the probability of A union B and the probability of A intersection B mean? The P stands for probability, and probability is how likely something is to happen. All right. We have a table here with expression, meaning, and the meaning in simple words. So P probability, or P A union B, probability means probability of A or B or both. And in simple words, it means chance that a student likes football or music or both. P A intersection B means probability of both A and B, and in simple words, it means chance that the students like both football and music. Step 4. What about P, A or B, and P, A and B? These are just ones instead of symbols. So the word all is replaced by the symbol for union, A union B, and the word and is used instead of intersection, meaning A intersection B. So these are just ones instead of symbols. They mean the same as above. So whatever we have described above is the same. And you know, normally students get confused because different authors use different styles in their books. So I'm here now to make things easier for any student. So in the table, you have the expression, and we are saying P, A or B is the same as P, A union B, meaning chance of A or B or both. And the P, A and B is the same as P, A intersection B, meaning chance of both A and B. So, P, A union B, and P, A or B means students who have a chance of liking football or music or both. P represents probability. P, A intersection B and P, A and B means students who have a chance of liking both football and music. So there, guys, you can see I've brought the meaning. So if you say P, A union B, and you say P, A or B, they mean the same. And if you say P, A intersection B, and P, A and B, this means the same. From now, you will not be confused. And there I've got the Venn diagram representing that. P, A union B, or A or B, means all the people who are liking football or music or both. The purple is those who are both. The A are those who like football, and the B are those who like music. On the right, P, A intersection B is equal to P, A and B. All right? We replace the intersection sign by and on the other side we replace the union sign by all. And you find that now for the intersection, you find the purple. Those are the students who like both football and music. So we can now look at the probability forms after discussing what we have discussed. And so we have the expression P union B. And how do you read it? Probability of A or B. And what does it mean? The chance that A happens or B happens or both happen. We have the expression P, A intersection B. How to read it is probability of A and B. And what it means is the chance that A and B happen together. Now, let's look at real-life examples. Let's use two simple events. So, A represents a student who passes maths, and B, the same student passes biology. Example 1, probability of A union B implies A or B. This means the probability that the student passes maths or biology or both. So if the student passes at least one subject, they are included. Okay? They are included in the union. So even if you did not pass biology or pass maths, you are included in the union because it is A union B. Example situation. Out of 10 students, for example, 6 passed maths. A is a student who passes maths. 5 passed biology. B, the student who passed biology. And 3 passed both, that is A and B. Then P, or probability of A union B, equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersection B. Therefore, we are trying to subtract what is common, where the student is doing biology and mathematics. That is one person. That is why we are subtracting the intersection, because we would repeat. So we have 6 out of 10, those who are doing maths, plus 5 out of 10, those who are doing biology, minus 3, who might be doing either biology or maths, which is equal to the result 8 over 10. If you simplify, in fact, it is just direct. You just subtract you just do the numerator and the denominator, because the denominator is the same. There is no converting anything. So 6 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 3, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 minus 3, 8. And the denominator is 10. Now, meaning there is an 8 out of 10 chance a student passes maths or biology or both. Example 2. P, or probability of A intersection B, implies A and B. This means the probability that the student passes both maths and biology. And from our data, P, A intersection B is equal to 3 over 10, because there are only 3 students who did maths and biology. Meaning 3 out of 10 students passed both subjects. Step 4, memory tip. Simple, union, place all. Quick picture in your mind. Think of a ball mixing everything from both A and B. Simple, intersection, place, and picture you make in your mind quickly is you think of the overlapping part where A and B meet. Final example, which should bring easy to picture, or which should be easy to picture. Let's say there are 100 students. 60 like football, 50 like music, and 2 like both football and music. Then the probability of A union B is equals chance of liking football or music or both. Therefore, there will be 60 plus 50 minus 20. And the answer is 90 out of 100. So P, A intersection B equals the chance of liking both, which is 20 out of 100. Easy to picture. Conclusion. In short, A union B means A or B. And in this case, at least one happens. A intersection B means A and B, meaning that both happen together. P, A union B is the chance of A or B or both happening. And P intersection B is the chance of both happening at the same time. So guys, that brings us to the end of knowing the symbols in probability, so that you now be working probability very, very smoothly without any hiccup. Fine. For those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do happily for more videos like this. Otherwise, good night, good morning, or good evening, wherever you are in this world. For the internet,